What is going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to give you 3 steps to earning $2,000 in one day. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly how yesterday, February 13th, 2023, I earned a $2,530 commission. $500 of that actually is not mine, so we're looking at roughly $2,030. Nonetheless, we're going to show you how to create $2,000 per sale by promoting one specific system. You can actually see just in this one income stream. And by the way, I've got many different income streams, and we're actually part of a series right now, in the middle of part of a series at the moment, where I'm showing you how to go from zero to generating $10,000 per month consistently online, working part-time with the affiliate business model. So if you're brand new to the channel, one thing that you need to make sure that you do is start from scratch with the playlist below. Start from video 1 and work your way up. Also subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon so you're notified of all new videos that I upload when I upload them, because in each and every video, I'm giving you strategies and tactics that will help you create a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So in just this one income stream, I'm not going to show you the rest of the income streams because I do that in other videos. You can check out those videos below. There's going to be more information. Nonetheless, in just this one income stream, since January 23rd, $10,000, you guys, $10,000 in just this one income stream promoting high ticket affiliate products. I'm going to show you exactly from start to finish how I did that in this video and how you can duplicate it as well. So I'm going to jump over here to the good old flow chart. And these are 3 simple steps, and people overcomplicate this way too much. Number 1, pick a traffic strategy. Okay, I'm going to say that again. Pick a traffic strategy. Just pick one. I decided to master YouTube. Why did I decide to master YouTube? Well, I came from the background of learning search engine optimization, the ability to rank websites at the top of Google for specific search phrases. So if somebody was typing in how to work from home, they were typing in the best HD TV, the best 4K TV, right? The cool thing about people typing in different search phrases like that is you simply give them exactly what it is they're searching for, versus on Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok. It could be a little bit more difficult to make the sell on any given product or service because they might not be in a buying state. The cool thing about YouTube and Google, again, they're typing in exactly what they want. So if they're looking for a specific product, a specific service, a specific how-to video, you can give them the answer and then have an affiliate link in the description of your video that leads people to a product. So I did mention that I started with search engine optimization, ranking websites. Well, I took the talent from that and then integrated it into YouTube and started doing video marketing, because I realized if people could see you on camera and they're also typing in exactly what they want, then they're going to be even more likely to buy from you because they can see you on camera. So I started ranking YouTube videos at the top of YouTube and even Google, because yes, YouTube videos can appear in Google. Then I started really having massive success online. And I've been doing this for the past roughly 9 years now, working part-time but earning a full-time income. I quit my job as a retail jewelry salesman and I never looked back. So the key here, you guys, is pick one traffic strategy, become a master at it. Okay, become a mad scientist when it comes to that traffic strategy. Understand the algorithm, understand how it works, understand the updates of the platform, and just simply master it. Once you do that, once you're a master of traffic, everything else is easy. It doesn't matter if you're promoting your own business. Maybe it's a brick or mortar store. You're promoting an affiliate product. You're promoting a course, consulting, whatever it is, you can crush it in anything. So in this case, we're promoting an affiliate system known as the multiple income funnel. Now, the cool thing about multiple income funnel is it has multiple income streams that it sells for you on your behalf. In other words, there's different products and it has multiple sales videos that will sell those products for you. So all you need to do is share one affiliate link and earn multiple commissions from multiple sources. So step one, you set up, obviously you get set up in the private Facebook group. In step two, you set up your income streams. Now this is where the money is made, and this is where I made that $2,000. Of course, adding step three is what really brings it together. So right now we're here on step two, which is the multiple income funnel system, also known as MIF. Okay, so step two, what people do is they set up their affiliate links, and also they get set up with these different specific income streams. So income stream number one is multiple income funnel on its own, right? You're going to earn $18 per sale per month, because this is a residual. So if people want to get access to the same system that they can leverage and use, they pay a residual fee. You get a commission off of that fee. So that is income stream number one, the system itself. Income stream number two is known as E1U Life. This is huge because this is where I made my $2,000 commission. This specific system is designed to upgrade people at the highest level. Okay, so they're going to watch this video. They're going to understand exactly what E1U Life is. They're going to get upgraded at the highest level because they're going to watch this 14-minute video. And boom, that's where I made the $2,000 commission. Pretty ridiculous, right? How simple is that? All I did is I purchased multiple income funnel. I set up my affiliate links. I set up my affiliate link for income stream number two, which is E1U Life. And then I shared my affiliate link for multiple income funnel, which is going to be right here in the link section. So I went ahead and shared these links here on YouTube. And then when people signed up, they went ahead and they went through the setup process. And when they went to step two and watched this video, they upgraded to the highest level, resulting in that $2,000 commission once again, right? So the cool thing about this is the creator of this specific system spent tens of thousands of dollars on these, what are called sales videos. So this is a sales video right here. Somebody will watch this sales video, right? And as they watch it, they understand this specific income stream and the product line and everything in between. By the time they get to the end of it, they click and set up their E1U Life business. They go ahead and they upgrade to the highest level. And then you get a commission off of that because your affiliate link for E1U Life is integrated into this multiple income funnel system, along with all these other income streams. So you can see where it says completed, you're all set up. So you just insert once you're signed up for this income stream, you insert your username right here and you're all activated. Same thing with income stream number three and income stream number four, as well as income stream number one, which is the MIF system in of itself. So I'm actually earning off of these different income streams as well, 4, 3, and 1. And again, there's going to be a video below that explains each of these income streams as well and shows you the result of these different income streams, so on and so forth. So you can see that I'm not just making money here since the 23rd of January, $10,000, but I'm making multiple thousands in these other income streams as well because of this very system that you're looking at right now. But this video is to help you focus on those big $2,000 commissions. So that is step two. So step one was YouTube traffic. Step two is MIF. And step three is really important because this ties it together, especially if you're somebody that doesn't want to put yourself on camera. You don't want to show your face. You don't want to do any of that. What I've done as a bonus for people that upgrade to the highest level at E1U Life, which is Vertex Live, and this also helps me get commissions, is the fact that I set up their whole entire business for them. In other words, there's going to be a link in the description below, and it's going to take you to a video that looks something like this. And this is the done-for-you proven high-ticket affiliate marketing business model. And this gives you a 30,000-foot perspective of my entire system that you get a copy. In other words, you get my videos. You get to copy my videos, okay? And you get to upload them to your YouTube channel. So these are all my videos right here. You get to download these videos, upload those videos to your YouTube channel so you too can start generating results from YouTube just like I am, copying the exact videos, the exact framework that's helping me make this money. Pretty powerful, right? So you're going to get those big $2,000 commissions as well because you're going to be able to offer these bonuses to your team as well. Now that's where it becomes really powerful, is not only am I going to set up this whole entire process for my own team, but the people that you bring in to E1U Life, the upgrade to the highest level, my team is also going to do the done for you service for them as well, which means we set up their business. We set up their YouTube channel. We upload their YouTube videos. We set up their email autoresponder. We set up their landing pages. We set up their whole entire business and we start running traffic through it through YouTube. And to really see the power of this, again, you're going to want to check out this video. It's going to be in the description below, but essentially it explains everything that I've set up for myself and how you can duplicate it too as well. So that's where it gets very, very powerful. I'm earning a lot of these upsell $2,000 commissions, not just from the efforts of multiple income funnel and the sales video that you see here, but also I offer these bonuses and it changes the game for people. So only people on my team will get access to this bonus where we're going to help you, we're going to help your team get positioned to earn the big money and set up a system for you so you can jumpstart your business. So you get the traffic, you build the audience, you get your own leads, and you start making sales. This, my friend, is very, very powerful. So you understand exactly what I did to earn that $2,000 sale yesterday. I want to allow you to duplicate it. We've got many more coming. We've made over $10,000 since the 23rd, and we're really ramping up this campaign that you're going to be able to copy. At this phase, we're actually doing well over $700 per day, averaging that day in and day out, and you get to copy this whole entire strategy, the videos, the emails, autoresponder series, the funnels, traffic sources, everything in between. You're duplicating me. You're standing on the shoulders of giants. You're leveraging my success, my results to build your affiliate marketing business. Now, as always, guys, as a disclaimer, just because I'm earning this type of money doesn't guarantee that you're going to earn this type of money out of the gate. So understand that. Stick with this. That's why we created this 365-day video series so you can stick with me this whole entire year and start generating massive results. So go ahead. All the steps to get started and get positioned so you can earn these bonuses are going to be below. So go ahead and do that. There's going to be information on where you need to send your info, how you need to send it. That's going to be below in the description, covered in great detail. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.